If you have to stop to check in with everybody in your life about each decision you make, you're not going to get anywhere. You're not going to get very far at all. Dear Gemini, of course, you already know this. However, you are doing this at the same time. You're trying to find out who around you can tell you whether your decisions are good, bad, right, or wrong. And for as long as you're in this space, you're not able to then make decisions that are true for you. And so then your life starts to feel like it's a bit of a zigzag at the moment. 1 minute it goes this way, the next minute it goes that way, and then there's the stalling and the waiting around. Someone can tell me if what I'm doing is the right thing or the wrong thing, or if it's going to work, if it's not going to work. That is a holding pattern. And in fact, it's a holding pattern, and it's exhausting to be in that holding pattern. And what I'm feeling is that you need to free yourself from this holding pattern. And the first way to free yourself from this holding pattern is to be honest. Notice how we keep talking about honesty with the Geminis. And the reason it's showing up in your forecast is because what's missing at the moment is the honesty piece. Otherwise, we wouldn't be. I'm not here personally to pick on the Geminis. Somewhere you're just not being honest with yourself. This is not about anybody else. It's only about you. Somewhere in your life, you're not being honest with yourself, so you keep doing the same thing and expecting a different result.